Ecology is the scientific study of interactions among organisms and between organisms and their environment. Earth's organisms live in the biosphere. The biosphere consists of the parts of the planet in which all life exists. Ecologists may study different levels of ecological organization. The first is the individual organism or species. Then we have an assemblage of individuals that belong to the same species and live in the same area, which is called a population. After this, there is an assemblage of different populations that live together in an area and is referred to it as a community. An ecosystem includes all the organisms that live in a particular place, together with their physical environment. And finally, a group of ecosystems that have similar climates and organisms is called a biome. Ecosystems include biotic and abiotic factors. A biotic factor is any living part of an environment, and an abiotic factor is any non-living part of an environment. Talking about ecological methods, ecologists use three basic methods of research: observation, which often leads to questions and hypotheses; experimentation, which experiments can be used to test hypotheses; and modeling, which helps ecologists understand complex processes. Sunlight is the main energy source for life on Earth. Organisms that can capture energy from sunlight or chemicals and use that energy to produce food are called autotrophs or primary producers. The process in which autotrophs capture light energy and use it to convert carbon dioxide and water into oxygen and sugars is called photosynthesis. The process in which autotrophs use chemical energy to produce carbohydrates is called chemosynthesis. Organisms that rely on other organisms for their energy and food are called heterotrophs. They are also referred to as consumers, and there are many different types of heterotrophs. For example, we have herbivores, such as cows, which obtain energy by eating only plants; carnivores, such as snakes, that eat only animals; omnivores, such as humans, that eat both plants and animals; detritivores, such as earthworms, which feed on dead matter; decomposers, such as fungi, which break down organic matter; scavengers, such as vultures, which consume the carcasses of other animals. Energy flows through an ecosystem in one direction from primary producers to various consumers. A food chain is a series of steps in which organisms transfer energy by eating and being eaten. Producers, such as floating algae called phytoplankton, are at the base of every food chain. A food web is a network of all the food chains in an ecosystem. Food webs are very complex. Small disturbances to one population can affect all populations in a food web. Changes in population of zooplankton, small marine animals that feed on algae, can affect all of the animals in the marine food web. Each step in a food chain or food web is called a trophic level. Producers make up the first trophic level. Consumers make up higher trophic levels. Each consumer depends on the trophic level below it for energy. An ecological pyramid is a diagram that shows the relative amounts of energy or matter contained within each trophic level in a food chain or food web. Types of ecological pyramids are pyramids of energy, which show relative amounts of energy available at different trophic levels; pyramids of biomass, which show the total amount of living tissue at each trophic level; and pyramids of numbers, which show the relative numbers of organisms at different trophic levels.